So today, we'll be looking at the Hiboy C1, which is Hiboy's folding electric bike that's made for comfort, affordability, that's easy to carry and store. And I'm going to be going over the assembly process and go in depth on the features, specs, and the build of this bike. So let's get to it. The C1 comes in a pretty standard bike box, but it is pretty heavy, so make sure to be careful when moving, and if possible, have someone help you move it. After opening the bike, it was assembled about 95%. All you have to do is install the handlebars, install the seat, and install the pedals, including the box with necessary tools, and the whole process only took me about 10 to 15 minutes, and is by far one of the easiest bikes I've ever had to put together myself. And even if you have no mechanical ability, you should have no problem putting the bike together yourself. And when I went through the bike, all the bolts were tight, and was ready to ride. The C1 comes with a cool futuristic looking aluminum frame with a gloss black paint job, but you can also get in white as well. The frame tubing does have a very distinctive shape, and it does a great job of integrating the battery into the frame itself. And one thing I really like is that there's no visible weld on the frame. It's nice and smooth, which gives it a really slick look. And something the Hiboy did extremely well is cable management, with all the cables being internally routed and hidden within the frame. And also to keep water from splashing on you, there's front and rear fenders. So the C1 has a minimum seat height of about 30 inches, and a maximum seat height about 33 inches. The handlebar height is 42 inches from the ground, the wheelbase is about 940 millimeters, the overall length is 1,290 millimeters, it weighs in a little over 50 pounds, the recommended rider height is 4'9" to 5'11", and the max load is 230 pounds. The C1 is powered by a 350 watt brushless rear hub motor that provides both pedal assistance and throttle assistance up to 20 miles per hour. The battery is a 36 volt, 7.8 amp hour lithium ion battery that has an estimated range up to 43.5 miles using pedal assist level and 21.7 miles of pure electric throttle range, and it charges in about 5 to 6 hours. And the battery is also very easily removable. All you have to do is use one of the supplied keys to unlock the battery, then pull the battery out. The battery is also really compact and only weighs in at 3.8 pounds. And I did talk to Hiboy, and in the future they plan to sell the battery separately, so you can double the range on the bike in just a couple of seconds. But at the time of this recording, no price has been set. The C1 uses an LCD screen and displays the power level, battery level, and miles per hour. And for safety, there's a headlight that's activated by clicking the power button once, and also comes with a rear tail light that also serves as a brake light. And for additional comfort, the C1 comes with a suspension fork with 28mm stanchions, a 20mm offset, and 40mm of travel. The C1 uses no-name handlebars that measure 490mm wide. The C1 comes with 14-inch wheels with a 3-spoke design, with the tires being Chow Yang with a 2 1/8 inch width. It also comes with Schrader tubes. It comes with a single-speed drivetrain with the crank arm measuring 135mm with a 48-tooth chainring, and the rear cog has 22 teeth. It also has mechanical disc brakes with 160mm rotors both in the front and in the rear. It also has plastic pedals with reflectors that fold so they don't stick out when folding up the bike. And one of the biggest selling points on this bike is that it folds with ease. All you have to do is fold the pedals, unhook the handlebar latch, and fold. So there's the full rundown on what to expect from the Hiboy C1 folding e-bike. I plan to do some extensive testing on this bike to test its riding characteristics, testing its range, and comfort. But if you have any questions about this bike, please put them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great one.